5 Best Drop Shipping Suppliers in Los Angeles. Los Angeles is not only a hotspot for fashion and entertainment, but also a thriving hub for e-commerce and drop shipping. With its access to high-quality products, diverse suppliers, and strong logistics network, partnering with reliable drop shipping suppliers in LA can help you grow your business and provide faster delivery to your customers. In today's video, we'll reveal the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Los Angeles to help you scale your store with ease. Hey guys, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Los Angeles. Whether you're selling fashion, beauty, electronics, or home goods, these suppliers will provide you with high-quality inventory, competitive pricing, and fast shipping to elevate your business. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss out on our supplier reviews, e-commerce tips, and strategies. Let's jump right in. At number 5, Tasha Apparel. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Tasha Apparel, a leading fashion wholesaler based in Los Angeles. What they offer. Tasha Apparel specializes in trendy women's clothing, including dresses, tops, outerwear, and accessories. Why they're great for dropshipping. They offer low wholesale prices and allow small order quantities, making it easy for dropshippers to test new products. Shipping advantage. With their LA warehouse, Tasha Apparel provides fast shipping within the US. If you're in the fashion niche, Tasha Apparel is an excellent supplier for trendy and affordable clothing. At number 4, CJ Dropshipping, US Warehouse. Coming in at number 4 is CJ Dropshipping, a global dropshipping platform with a fulfillment center in Los Angeles. What they offer. CJ Dropshipping provides a wide variety of products, including electronics, fashion, home goods, and beauty products. Why they're popular. Their integration with Shopify and WooCommerce automates your dropshipping operations, saving you time and effort. Shipping advantage. With a fulfillment center in Los Angeles, CJ Dropshipping ensures quick delivery to customers in the US. If you're looking for variety and automation, CJ Dropshipping is a fantastic option for your store. At number 3, Fashion Go. Next up at number 3 is Fashion Go, one of the largest fashion wholesale marketplaces in the US. What they offer. Fashion Go features thousands of clothing and accessory items, from casual wear to high-end fashion, sourced from suppliers in Los Angeles. Why it's great for dropshipping. Their extensive catalog and competitive pricing make it easy to stock your store with the latest trends. Shipping advantage. Many Fashion Go suppliers are based in LA, ensuring faster delivery times for US customers. If you want access to a huge range of fashion items, Fashion Go is a must-try platform for your business. At number 2, Mega Goods. Coming in at number 2 is Mega Goods, a dropshipping supplier specializing in electronics and accessories. What they offer. Mega Goods provides products like kitchen appliances, gadgets, audio devices, and other electronics. Why they're great for dropshipping. They offer wholesale pricing and fast order processing, making them ideal for dropshippers in the tech niche. Shipping advantage. Based in Los Angeles, Mega Goods ensures fast shipping across the US, reducing delivery times. If your store focuses on electronics, Mega Goods is a reliable partner with high-demand products. At number 1, my online fashion store. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is my online fashion store, a dropshipping supplier based in Los Angeles. What they offer. My online fashion store specializes in women's clothing, accessories, and plus-size fashion. Why they're the best. They integrate seamlessly with Shopify, WooCommerce, and other platforms, allowing you to automate your dropshipping operations. Shipping advantage. With their warehouse in LA, they provide fast and reliable shipping across the US, ensuring a great customer experience. If you're serious about dropshipping fashion products, my online fashion store is the ultimate supplier to work with. And that's a wrap. And that's our list of the 5 best dropshipping suppliers in Los Angeles. Let's quickly recap the list. My online fashion store. Best overall for trendy women's fashion and fast shipping. Mega Goods, ideal for electronics and high-demand tech products. Fashion Go, perfect for sourcing a variety of fashion items at wholesale prices. CJ Dropshipping, U.S. warehouse, great for variety and automation with fast U.S. delivery. Tasha Apparel, a reliable supplier for affordable and stylish women's clothing. Which of these suppliers are you most excited to try for your dropshipping business in Los Angeles? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your fellow entrepreneurs, and subscribe to Dropshipping Hustle for more tips, supplier reviews, and strategies to grow your store. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep hustling.